Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about select into statement. So using this statement, you can save your variable, data, save your columns data into variable, okay, temporarily. So I'll show you how you can do that. I'll just show you an example, syntax actually first. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select a column name. Suppose the column name is fname, or just write col1 into, okay, better write in this way actually. Select col1 into the variable name, whatever your variable name is, v underscore col1 from the table. Suppose my table is employees. Okay, so now as you are storing this column value into this variable, so for that you have to declare the variable first. So how you'll declare that? Write declare, then variable v underscore col1, and the data type. What's the data type? The data type of this column should be same as this data type. So if we are going to store data type of varchar, so we'll take the same data type here, okay? Or if it is number data type, we'll take same data type here, okay? So I'm going to take it as varchar because yeah, and then begin, then we have this thing, and then end. When I'll do something like this, I'll get an error. Why I'll get an error? Suppose this employee table is having certain 10 records, okay? So 10 records, all 10 records want to get stored into this variable, so we'll get error as exact fetch returns more number of rows. So for that, to avoid that error, I'll have to add a condition as where, and where I'll give any unique value, any unique identification. Suppose id is equal to 100. So when I'll do something like this, I'll get the things perfectly done, okay? So let's jump to SQL Workshop and see the examples first. So for that, I'll just do select star from employees. Okay, so here we have these many data. What I'm going to do, I'm going to store this mark into our variable. So for that, I'll do declare. I have a variable called v underscore var. Data type will be varchar, and the size of data type is 100. You have to write these three essential things as I have told you in my last tutorial. So I have declared it. Now I'm gonna start my begin section. What I'll do here, I'll do select first name, first underscore name into our variable is v underscore var, okay, from which table? Employees table, okay? And here I have to write where condition because I want to store only this mark, okay? If I'll not write where condition, all the first name will get stored, and will get the error as exact fetch returns more than requested number of rows. So just to avoid the error, I'll write here where condition, where employee id is equal to 100, okay? And then we'll run this query. We'll see what happened. Select it and run it. Statement processed, but we didn't get any output. Why? Because we are not taking output of this variable, what is getting stored here. So what I'll do here, I'll write another statement as dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, and then our variable name v underscore var. Terminate it and run this query. So as you can see, we have this mark as we are getting output as mark, okay? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take two variables and we'll be storing two values into two variable, okay? Let me do select star from employees. So I'll take first name and last name. So v var, better write here v fname, okay, and we'll be writing v underscore lname. Data type will be same, okay, and we will be taking first name comma last name, and we'll be saying into vvar comma or v, instead of vvar we will write fname, and then v underscore lname from employees where id is equal to 100, and we'll take output something like this. First name, we'll write it under inverted comma, and we'll take a space here, we'll give a concatenation operator, we'll write our first variable, then again concatenation operator, space, last name, this will act as a string actually, okay, and then last name v underscore lname, okay. Now print it. Now get the output from here running. Okay, vfname vlname, this is not vname actually, vlname, okay. Run this query. We have this output: first name Mark, last name King. You can add a slash here, underscore. Okay, now run this query. First name Mark, last name King. So hope this thing is clear to you, the concept of select into, and how to store any columns value into variable using select into statement. Hope this thing is clear to you. For any confusion or doubt, let me know in comment box. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.